I have featured the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra in previous videos. This is a relatively new product from EcoFlow, and it is by far one of the best, if not the best, on the market for portable or standby power. Like I mentioned before, this unit is meant to be interchangeable. You have the freedom to take this thing on the go, or have backup and daily use power capabilities. With all of the features this unit has to offer, there's a variety of uses for it, such as for backup power during a blackout. You can keep your most energy-hungry appliances running in the event of a power outage. If you experience a prolonged power outage, this unit can connect to a gas generator or solar panels to ensure power for longer. Electricity bill savings. If you live somewhere with time of use utility rates, the EcoFlow Smart Panel lets you charge when electricity rates are low, and discharge when rates are high, letting you save money on your electrical energy bill. Off-grid power needs. If you are going camping, and don't have access to the power grid, this unit can power any device you might need in an off-grid scenario. Electric vehicle charging outlet. Charge your electric vehicle right from your Delta Pro Ultra battery using the outlet provided. Better yet, you can even charge your Delta Pro Ultra battery using an electric vehicle charging station, just to add to the multiple other options you have to charge this battery. As a content creator, I struggle to get work done during load shedding or power outages, which leaves us without power for sometimes up to 12 hours a day. One solution is the EcoFlow Delta 2. It packs in a lithium iron phosphate battery which has 3,000 charge cycles, so your battery won't degrade for 10 years even if used every day. There's also 1200 watts of fast charging, which fills up the battery in just over an hour. So your Delta 2 will always be ready before the next power outage, or load shedding block. When load shedding hits, nothing in my studio is dropped since everything is auto-switched to battery power. You can check its status using the display or app where you can also adjust the charging watts. And if you plan to go off the grid, there's also EcoFlow solar panels, so you can take the lightweight Delta 2 Max with you anywhere. It has 500 watts output power, and it works great for powering anything and everything. Or working remote out here. It's super portable. It has this great handle on the back. You can just pick it up and take it anywhere around the campsite, and set up a mobile workstation. I really love that I can be outside like this, working on my computer for up to 9 hours. At the other end of the spectrum, we have the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. Here we have the inverter and a single battery pack mounted on the included rollable cart. The cart is designed to carry the full weight of inverters plus up to 5 battery packs. I'm going to let a representative from Ecotech demonstrate the inverter and battery pack.
It's not light at all, and that's why we put it on a wheel, so it's really easy to move around. But the inverter itself is actually around 70 pounds, so it's manageable, but you don't want to carry it for way too far. However, the battery is really where the weight is, because this particular battery is LFP battery. It's 3,500 cycles of the charges and discharges until it goes to 80%. So this battery offers a very great longevity. Over 10 years you can use it no problem. But also it comes with a great weight to it, because it's 116 pounds.
We have already seen, in a previous video, a subpanel could be the means by which standby power is supplied to a home. This slide shows an actual installation of a smart home panel too, that has both the generator input, as well as connection to the main grid panel. You can see the circuits that need to be secure entering the panel at the top and are tied to the individual breakers inside this panel. Installers have drilled holes to connect the NMD cables for 1 to 12 load circuits. As I mentioned before, a single Delta Pro Ultra can do an impressive 7,200 watts of output, which is going to take care of most people's needs. And you can add a second or third unit here to get 21,000 watts of output. A single unit can also stack up to 5 batteries for 30 kilowatt hours of capacity. And you can do the math, 3 units can supply 90 kilowatt hours of capacity. The standby generator sub-panel does not necessarily have to be placed right next to the main panel. It could be mounted on the outside of the house, or, as in this case, mounted in the garage. The EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra is one of the most versatile, whole home backup solutions that has just been introduced to the market. This backup power system is designed for both extended outages and daily use. With an unrivaled capacity of 6 kWh, 7,200 watts output, and 5.6 kilowatts solar input, a single unit can run your entire home. With EcoFlow Smart Home Panel, you get an uninterrupted power backup experience with automatic switchover, energy consumption monitoring, and lower electricity bills. This unit is not driven by gas or diesel generation but uses the battery storage unit that is charged when the utility is available. This means that the unit can be placed indoors or outdoors and is virtually silent when operating. It has a stackable design that can be expanded to increase output in only minutes. Compatible with various energy sources, from solar to gas, to meet your ever-changing power needs. To obtain a discount code for 5% off on all EcoFlow products and more information on this subject, and pick up your free digital copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators. Simply fill out the information requested when you go to this website, https://bit.ly/3 lowercase u, uppercase w, lowercase v, lowercase e, uppercase r, lowercase h.